How to use audio sharing on iPhone and iPad. Step 1. With your AirPods connected and in your ears, start playing audio on your iPhone or iPad. If you have the music app open and showing the media playback controls, tap your AirPods at the bottom of the screen. Alternatively, swipe down for Control Center. Then, in the Audio Playback Controls panel, tap the icon in the top right corner representing your connected AirPods. Step 2. Tap Share Audio below the playback controls. Step 3. You should see a prompt on your device's screen offering to share audio. Now, bring your friends' AirPods inside their case, close to your device, and flip the lid open. Step 4. When your friend's AirPods are detected, tap Share Audio. Step 5. Hold the button on the back of the AirPods charging case if requested. Step 6. When you've successfully connected, the iPhone or iPad hosting the audio controls the volume level on both pairs of headphones. But both people listening can also use any headphone controls they may have to change volume independently.